Hey guys, and welcome to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to use the Leonardo AI application on your Discord server. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type app.leonardo.ai and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of leonardo.ai, and as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not logged in, do log in right now. Now once you've logged in, you will see something like this. Let's focus on the navbar on the left hand side. Simply scroll down. Scrolling down, you will see lots of features, but right now what we want to search for is this Discord icon. Simply click on it. Now it's going to open up Discord on your browser. You simply need to accept the invite right here. It's in this blue icon, simply click on it. Now as you can see, we have successfully added Leonardo.ai to our Discord server. Now from here, we can get many information about how to access Leonardo AI. Simply hover over this button right here and click on it. And as you can see, we have successfully added ourselves to the Leonardo AI community. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you add Leonardo AI in your Discord. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.